Hey YouTube, today I'm going to do a video on this Realtree Max 5 lake runner tube that I bought. I bought it a few weeks before I went camping and didn't notice that it had an issue, and now it's too late to send it back to Amazon. The issue that it has is the back headrest seam isn't completely welded, so it won't hold air. So I'm going to fix it today, and this is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to use PVC glue. I've already done a test on some patch material that it came with, and it held together really good. So we're going to clean it up and use this process. So we're going to rough up the surfaces with some emery cloth, and then I'm going to clean it really well with denatured alcohol using the Q-tips here. And then I've got some 99% alcohol that we'll wipe everything down with before we prime and glue. So in addition to the emery cloth, I'm also using some 80 grit sanding pads that I had. They seem to get in there really good. So I'm getting in there real good. I'm going to rough it all up so that it'll take the glue. Alright, now I'm taking some of this denatured alcohol and I'm cleaning it up. It's already starting to take off some of the coloring, which is good because it's prepping the surface. So I'm going to prep all the surfaces in here with this, and then we're going to clean it up with the 99% alcohol. Alright, now we're repeating the process with the 99% alcohol, and we'll get in there and clean it all up, wipe it all down. Alright, now I've taken some blue tape here just to kind of mask off the area so I don't get it everywhere. But I've let it dry out, and now I'm going to start to primer it. So for the primer, I'm using the Q-tips because the applicator obviously is too big to fit inside this hole, but it looks like it's all primed in there. I'll let it dry. Now for the glue, I'm going to use the same process. I'm going to use a Q-tip instead of the applicator because it's too big, and then we're going to put some weight on it so that it can cure out. Alright, I've clamped it all together. I got 2 pieces of wood, and we're going to let it set for a few hours. The sun's going to creep over here and cure it out, and then we'll see what happens. Alright, it's had time to cure out for a couple of days. It looks like it's holding air pretty good. I've gone ahead and added a piece of vinyl repair. It's just kind of peel and stick. It's called Tear Aid Type B. I just put it on there just for some added protection, but everything looks pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and take it to the lake. Thanks for watching.